We get paid for bringing value to the marketplace. If I can sit down with a client and show them that my solution can save them $1 million, they're not paying me for the hour that I sit down with them. They're paying me for my ability to save them $1 million. So I can charge $250,000 to save them $1 million. Would that be a fair call? All right, I'm showing you how you can save $1 million, but I'm going to charge you $250K. Then you'll at least remain with $750K. Is that a bad idea? It's not. So I have been working hard to find ways that I can bring value to the business. It's not about technology for me anymore. I know the bits and pieces that I need to put together to bring that value. And I'm not the sort of guy you expect me to invent something new. No, I already look at what's already been invented. And all I do is I see value in that piece, but if I put them together, I bring synergy out. And that synergy is what becomes my intellectual property. Because if you don't know the ingredients, you can't do it. So the idea for me is always, how can I use technology to bring value? I remember meeting with one of the professors from Auckland University. We had lunch, and he said, Godfrey, you have shown me something very unique, that you have got technology at your fingertips, and you don't seem to think using the back-end systems. A lot of IT systems are like, how can we build a back-end system that's going to deliver the front end, all right? I'm always on the front end because I'm interested in using whatever is available to bring value. So I'm not worried about back-end systems, because the back-end systems are already available on AWS, on Azure, and all. I don't have to reinvent that. I just need to use them to provide value in the front end.